Hey guys, here's my McCulloch Mac 110 chainsaw. It's well, not mine, actually my dad's, but 16-inch bar, original. Chain was replaced a couple years ago and sharpened. I think the last time I used it, which was last winter. It hasn't run since last winter, so I started it up a couple minutes ago, just to make sure I wouldn't have any problems starting it in this video. But I think it's a 1986 model, so I'm going to start it up and cut through a couple of these crap logs here. So it runs pretty well for being 23 years old. Can't do math, ridiculous. A little warm. It's got the manual oiler. I think it's out because I only put in like a couple drops, so I could just cut through this. Anyway, yeah, it's the Mac 110.